Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim and today I'm bringing you my unboxing of the Bookcase Club. This is my August box. I believe, I'm not exactly sure which one actually this is. I know I switched it from kind of the Strange World box to the kind of romance box, but I'm not sure if I changed it in time, so this may still be Strange Worlds. We'll know when we get into the books, or if it's gone over to the romance. So it's going to be a huge surprise for me and you guys to discover which box I got. So let's get in. So again, I clipped the tape so that I can get into it easier. And this is how the books came packaged, and it has all of their social media on it. So let me dive into see what I got, and then I'll be right back with you to share it with you. Okay, so these are both softbound books, which is a little bit different for them. Normally they are hardback books, but I'm okay with it. So let us see. I think this is still, looks like still the Strange World, because they both look like fantasy books. So the first one, The Face Faker's Game. This is by Chandler Birch. So let us discover what this one is about. Don't trust what you see. Ashley lives in Burrowside, a slum infested with gangs of orphans, homeless madmen, and monsters that swarm the streets at nightfall. Clever and daring, Ashes spends his day picking pockets and cheating at cards to satisfy the greed of Mr. Ragged, Burrowside's brutal governor. When he draws Mr. Ragged's wrath, Ashes flees for his life, only to be rescued by an enigmatic man named Candlestick Jack. Jack leads a group of artificers, illusionists, whose magic makes changing a face as simple as changing a hat. Determined to leave Burrowside behind, Ashes sees a chance to apprentice under Jack. But all is not as it seems. Jack and his company lead a double life as thieves, and they want Ashes to join their next heist. Between lessons on magic, Ashes helps Jack prepare the company's most audacious caper yet, while also using his newfound skills in a private war on Mr. Ragged. A dramatic adventure story full of wit, charm, and scheming rogues. Okay, it introduces an unforgettable world you won't soon want to leave. Okay, so yeah, so this is definitely a fantasy style book, so that sounds interesting. And then this one, I am drawn to the colors in this book, and it's by one of the authors that I have currently read, so I think this might be the second book out of that series. That is pretty nifty. So this is The Golden City by Kathleen Cheney. This, I think, is the same author of Dreaming Death, so let's see if this is the next book in the series. It doesn't really say on the cover, so we shall see. But it is by the same author. I think that is pretty cool. Alright, for 2 years, Oriana Paradis has been a spy among the social elite of the Golden City, reporting back to her people, the Saria sea folk banned from the city's shores. When her employer and only confidant decides to elope, Oriana agrees to accompany her to Paris. But before they can depart, the two women are abducted and left to drown. Trapped beneath the waves, Oriana survives because of her heritage, but as she is forced to watch her only friend die. Vowing vengeance, Oriana crosses paths with Julio Ferreira, a police consultant who has been investigating the disappearance of a string of servants from the city's wealthiest homes. Julio also has a secret. He is a seer, and his gifts have led him to Oriana. Bound by the secrets, not trusting each other completely, yet having no choice but to work together, Oriana and Julio must expose a twisted plot of magic so dark that it could cause the very fabric of history to come undone. Alright, so it's not the same City. It's not from the same series, so still sounds very interesting. I did enjoy the Dreaming Death, so I can't wait to dive back into that one. So I may prioritize this book first because I'm interested in reading more from her. But let me know down below which one you would prefer. I'm also doing a new way of picking my TBR from all of my books that I haven't picked up yet. It's in a wheel style, so I can randomly choose which ones, but I think I want to start with this one. But like I said, I'm drawn to the colors, and I know I like this author from reading previously. So I'll do this one first, and then I'll add this one into my wheel of books so that I can choose it for next month, or randomly choose some of my books for my TBR next month from that. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Leave me comments down below which of these two books you found most interesting. I would be curious to know. And until my next video, I hope you have a good one. Bye!